Move, Cody.
Cody. I don't even know if I got it. I was laughing, not paying attention. I got it that time. One more time. You know he's having a blast right now. Poor Julie, she's gonna be so sad.
Oh, look at huh?
Look over there.
People are driving through.